How is your business doing? Is it not performing well in this pandemic time? Only business who is growing nowadays, who are utilizing the powerful online platform to promoting their business. This online platform is very powerful compared to traditional newspaper, radio, or TV commercials. You can demonstrate your business right at the fingertip of your potential customers with proven strategy and data. We can target people with attractive offers and ads based on many factors: demographics, age, sex, likes, the interest, you name it. Now, don't you feel you should start your business promoting on that powerful platform where you have each and every data and you can even track if the advertising is working for you or not? I mean, sales you are getting from marketing. So, why to delay and keep thinking? Instead, let's talk to our marketing specialist at New Marketing Revolution, Inc., Edmonton, Alberta, at 587-938-7435. And we will be able to make a solid marketing strategy in your budget. Call us today.